So now we are going to solve the same problem in Octave software. So clear all and CLC are the two commands where the CLC used for the clear screen and clear all is used to for the clear number of variables previously used. Okay. So next step is we define the function of x, that is the function is defined that we define the name of function as fx. So equals to inline in bracket define that function and semicolon. Then next is fy, same the function of y, then same the function of z, that just we follow the flowchart that define. Then next is we have to define the number of iterations. So n is the input. Now functions are again input, but the format to define the functions are inline, and for another type of variables, that is suppose iterations or number of variables, so we define its the format is input. Then next is we define the we assume initial values of all variables as 0, x equals to 0, y equals to 0 and z equals to 0. Then next the number of iteration, that for loop is get started. So for I is equals to 1 is to n, we define that fx equals to that x equals to function of x and the values are y and z. Obviously function should be in terms of y and z only. Similarly y is function in terms of x and z only, and z is in terms of x and y only. So here the additional command that we are going to use, because we have to print the result in terms of tabular format, so it's fprintf. So slash n, that is on the next line, percentage f for to represent x, then next percentage f is for y and next percentage f is for z. Here this slash t is used for tab. Here we can use the space bar also instead of slash t. So it's quite simple as compared to the slash t. Okay. Then next we use for end for and print xyz. So to display the values of xyz, just type x, hit enter, y, hit enter, and z, hit enter. So this is the complete program. So now the program is get completed. So click on this particular bar, save file and run. Now come into command window, number of iterations that define it's 4, type, and this is your answer. So x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and z equal to 1. Okay, here instead of z we define x, so just type, here it is z. Okay, and as we see this x comes next to the table. If you have to take this x on the next line, just type over here fprintf slash n complete and then again run it. So you will see the difference between the previous one and this one. So type number of iterations as a that define the number of iteration equals to 4 and the values of this is in tabular format and these are the final value. Now we have to check these values by using the solver. So for solver, refer the equations. So equations are these, the primary equations. So write down these equations in terms of ax equals to b format. So first equation is what? 2, 3 and 2 minus 3 and 20. So come here. So a is equals to, so this is 2 minus 3 20, 3 20 minus 1 21 minus 8. This is a coefficient matrix, that we take this matrix, that these values from the equations. 2 minus 3 20, 3 20 minus 1 21 and minus 2. Okay, and then next we define the values of b, that is a constant matrix. So it's 25 minus 18 and 17. Okay, just type the code to find out the values of variables for simultaneous equation. So it is, suppose x equals to inverse of a into b, hit enter, it will give the answer. So these answers and these answers should get match. So 1 minus 1 1 and 1 minus 1 1. So that's all.